In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful chunky holiday garland like this. Now you can put it on your tree or you can drape it over your bed frame like I'm showing here. It's just a really gorgeous and opulent looking garland. Now Walmart has similar garlands for $24.98 a piece and they're really skimpy. This is what they look like. So here's a way to do it much more affordably. They have all these different types of ornaments at Walmart and they're $10.98 a box right now. This is in 2022. So for about 40 bucks, you can make this super gorgeous garland. And these are the ornaments I chose. You want to dump them all out and then sort them by color because we're going to be creating a rainbow. Next, thread a yarn darning needle with heavy twine and just start running it through your ornament tops. Now I've seen people do this with wire and it's a lot more time consuming to do that. This way is much more forgiving. You're just going to string all your ornaments on and then we'll worry about bunching them up later. So I'm doing about 3 or 4 of each color and then I switch to the next color. Now, once you have them all on there, you can start to pull the string a little bit tighter and kind of make your ornaments more snug against each other. Now, if an ornament pops off, just pop it back on and you can secure it in place with some super glue or hot glue. Now you have a gorgeous, chunky, opulent garland that looks way better than anything you could buy in the store and is actually much more affordable. This is longer than those ones that I saw at Walmart. Check out the blog post link below for more details on how I did this for a garland for my mantle. And you can do this rainbow, multicolor, however you want to do it. Hit subscribe to get more smart fun DIY ideas from me and click the video that's playing on the screen to see more Christmas DIYs.